Hi friends! So if you like getting free things, I have something fun for you today. I created some free Valentine's Day mini cards and decorations that you can use for your kids or for their classrooms and their friends. You could even use them as birthday tags for later on. I'm going to show you a few different ways of how I used them, and I hope it brings you some inspiration and creativity into your home. Are you saying hi, Nora? The first thing you'll want to do is tap the link in the description so you can grab these printables and have them sent straight to your inbox and then print them off at home. Here's a peek at some of the mini cards that have illustrations on them. The first printout are these cute banners I illustrated and hand lettered, and it's pretty self-explanatory, but you'll just take them and cut out each triangle to create your banner with. The great thing about these printables is you can print them over and over again to make as long of a banner as you want. The next supplies you'll grab are a hole punch and some yarn or jute string like this so we can hang up the banner. Then you'll punch the holes in the corners of each triangle on the top to string the yarn through. If you wanted to go a little easier, you could probably just tape the yarn on to the triangles, but I wanted to do it this way because I thought it looked a little cuter and it adds a little more sturdiness to the overall banner. So then I took the string and I strung through the front first and threaded it through the back so that the yarn would be seen on the back of the banner instead of the front. I also made sure I gave myself a long enough piece of string so that I had enough at the ends to tie it onto wherever I wanted to display it. Next, I took some of the mini cards and I cut them out like this so that I could use them as little decoration pieces around our table for Valentine's Day. I made a cute little flag that I'm going to stick in a vase with flowers, and then I added some of this silk ribbon to it to make it a little prettier. And then with the little cutouts, I just taped a toothpick on the back so I could stick it in treats like this. And then here's how you can use the tags as actual gift tags. I added the silk ribbon on here just to give it a little more texture and cuteness to the overall gift. And then here's the cute little flag that goes into a small vase of flowers. You can really use it however you like, but these are just a few ideas. And then I hung the banners over a table like this and kind of layered them so you could see both of them when you walk up to our table, and so it's just decorated cute for Valentine's Day. The other fun thing about these is that you can use them for birthday parties or maybe a baby shower. You really can use them over and over again in so many creative ways. So there you have it. I hope that this brought you a little bit of inspiration in a really simple and tangible way that you can bring some meaningful creativity into your home for Valentine's Day and for any celebration, big or small, that you can use them for. You can grab the free printables in the link below in the description, and I will send them straight to your inbox today. And after you do that, leave a comment below and let me know, yes, I grabbed it, so that I know that you love this kind of stuff and I will continue to bring more into your life. Don't forget to like and subscribe below so that you're notified the next time I drop a video to bring more creative inspiration into your home and into your life. I look forward to the next time we are at my table together.